You guys, today I am drinking a white Bordeaux. Did you know that was a thing? Because I didn't. It's refreshing. Okay, white Bordeaux. Is Mercury still in retrograde? Mercury, I swear to God, don't make me come over there and kick your ass. My iPhone 7 completely stopped working the other day. I had to make that dreaded trip to the Apple Store, which, if you don't live in New York City, you have no idea how horrible the Apple Store can actually be. They had to send my iPhone 7 in for repair, which takes about a week, and they gave me a 16 gig iPhone 6. Thanks, Apple. You're so thoughtful. So basically, I'm recording on this loaner phone until I get my other phone back. So if the quality on this video is not quite up to par, you know why. You guys, it's finally happening. We are finally doing a tutorial about the Zodiac palette. Get excited. This is a collaboration between Kathleen Lights, who has her own YouTube channel, and Colourpop. This packaging is absolutely insane. It has this really matte, smooth finish to it, and then it has all of this really beautiful gold embellishment. Each color is assigned a zodiac sign. Heard a lot of people mention that they don't think this palette is entirely wearable. I completely disagree. You can do so many looks with this. You can do everyday neutral looks, you can do smoky eye looks, and then you can mix it up with these really fun pops of color. You got mattes, you got shimmers. Oh, I'm sorry, what are you complaining about? Because you pretty much have it all. I already applied my foundation, my concealer, my powder, just to kind of get a head start, because I really want to focus on the products in this line. You guys, listen to me and listen to me good. If you haven't started watching Sharp Objects on HBO yet, I'm mad at you. This is maybe my most favorite show I've seen in my life. I know that sounds really extreme, but I mean it. It's got small town intrigue, shitty, backwards, narrow-minded townspeople, Patricia Clarkson playing a passive-aggressive southern nightmare of a mother, murder, lots of drinks, and ghosts. What more do you want? You guys, in all seriousness, it is so mind-blowingly good. You have to watch it. In the comments below, please tell me all your thoughts about Sharp Objects, because I'm unhealthfully obsessed. Okay, we're gonna just jump right into the eyeshadow look. I'm gonna go in with the Libra, which is this really pretty sort of pinky taupe color with a little bit of iridescence to it. Ooh, that is such a nice transition shade. Honestly, for an everyday look, this is all I need on my lid. Just kind of warms up your eye and gives it a little something something. These colors apply really beautifully and they blend out really well. I'm gonna go in with the Taurus and just intensify my crease a little bit. Woo! That is perfect for warming up my crease. It's nice. You guys, I know my face looks a little bit pasty right now, but we don't have any blush or bronzer on it, so stop judging me. Just kidding. I'm gonna go in with this really gorgeous iridescent color. Look at that. You could even use that as a highlighter. Use it as a topper and just make my whole eyeshadow look a little bit blingy. Kind of give it that rose gold bronzy iridescence, which how can you go wrong with that? You guys, why is it always so hot in here? I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. This color is Empire. I'm gonna go in very lightly and just line my top lid. Also do my bottom waterline. And you wanna make sure your under eye is really set for this, so that's going to help with any fallout, even though we're really trying to avoid fallout. This is going to be our sort of smoky plum pop of color today. I'm taking an e.l.f. flat eyeshadow brush, which is going to make it really, really easy to just pat this in. Guys, this is $3. Get on it. I put that on the eyeshadow, and then I'm just going to take a little bit of my Fix Plus. You could use water, you could use any setting spray that you have, and I'm just going to go right along where I put my eyeliner. I'm gonna use this plum color to smoke everything out. Angry tapping. We're gonna do the same underneath the eye. Okay, I just got some eyeliner on my eyeball. I'm gonna tell you guys a secret right now. I've actually attempted to film this particular video twice and I deleted all the footage, because both times I did my eyes first, just like bold purple eyes with a sweaty, shiny face. Is that what you want to say? No, no, no. I'm gonna take a clean brush and just kind of blend that out a little bit. We're going for like opium den chic right now. This is the Zodiac Highlighter in On the Cusp. A clean brush and go in and do my brow bone. Just kind of finishing off that eye look. This is the Zodiac Supernova shadow in the color Constellation. So you could do so much with this product. You could literally wear it all over your lid. You could use it for your inner corners. You could use a fine tip brush and do your own sort of creative eye look. I'm going to finish off my eye look with some mascara. Curl my lashes. I am going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I have something to admit to you guys. I recently started shaving my face. Yep, it's happening. I'd never done it before, so the first time I did it, I shaved off the ends of my eyebrows. Cool, 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 cool. If you're wondering why I shave, it's because I met this woman who looked to be about 65 years old. We got into this conversation about skincare. I basically found out that she's 80 and I was floored. She looked incredible. Her skin was gorgeous. I'm not talking about Botox filler gorgeous. I'm talking about like aging naturally gorgeous. How do you look like this at 80 years old? This is amazing. She leaned into me and she said, I've been shaving my face since I was 35. What? You've been what now? So I fell into a deep, deep rabbit hole of researching women who shave their face, and apparently it's a lot of people. So I went home that night, grabbed my boyfriend's Barbasol and his Mach 3 razor and went to town. Your makeup application is going to be really flawless because you're taking care of any baby hairs or things that sort of get in the way of your makeup setting really well. It makes your skin more receptive to whatever product you put on after you shave. It also is an anti-aging measure. One of the keys to looking young is exfoliation. We all know that. Men are literally exfoliating their face every time they shave, and they've been doing it since they were teenagers. When you see men and they have really nice skin for basically doing nothing to it, this is why. Listen, if you think cultural stigma is gonna get in my way of the fountain of youth, you got another thing coming, honey. I've done it 3 times now, and my skin is as smooth as a baby's arse. Please let me know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'm gonna take my Colourpop Brow Boss Gel, and I'm just going to set my brows. Oh, I have to say, this really feathers my brows well. Really impressed with this product. Oh, I've run out of Bordeaux. Lovely. Okay, I've been dying to do this since I started this video. I'm going to go in with my bronzer. I'm gonna use my tried and true fave, the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. Perfect. Now I'm just going to go back in with my powder brush and just sort of blend all of that in. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush. I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic. Has a little bit of sheen to it. Oh, I love this blush. The moment we've all been waiting for. I'm gonna put that highlighter on, girl. Best way to apply this Colourpop highlighter, because it is that Supershock formula. It's super wet and velvety when you put your finger into it. Ever so lightly rub that highlighter into your cheekbone. In my opinion, this is the best wet look highlighter that exists out there. I mean, what's even happening? She real blingy. Oh, by the way, on the topic of shaving faces, both Liz Taylor and Marilyn Monroe shaved their faces. Have the face of an infant or sit in judgment. The choice is yours. Oh, I'm just kidding. If you guys aren't into it, I totally get it. I'm just saying. This is one of the Zodiac lipsticks. It's called Scorpio Moon. It's their Luxe lipstick, which to me is the best lipstick out there, and it's $7. I'm in love with this color. I love the full-on lipstick look. You can also put this on, wipe it off, and it will stain your lips this gorgeous color. Throw a little gloss on that, and you look magnifico. If you want your look to stay, don't forget your setting spray. Urban Decay All-Nighter. You guys, this is the finished look. You guys want to see other looks from this palette? Please comment below and let me know. There's so many different ways you can go with it. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming on over. If you like what you see, please subscribe, share, and like, and hit that little bell right beneath the video. That is going to alert you anytime one of my new videos drops. All dressed up and nowhere to go. Bye!